What's going on, everyone? Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn how to unlink audio in Premiere Pro. It's really easy, and this is actually going to be a very short tutorial because it's so easy to do. So all you're going to want to do is you're going to take your clip. So let's say I have this clip here, and if I just play for a second, you'll see over here, especially the audio is playing. So let's say I don't want that audio, or I want to like mess around with the audio after. All you're going to want to do is right click on your clip and go to unlink. So you can see now, you can see now, everything is separate. So if I actually play now, it'll be completely out of sync, but we have separated our audio from our clip. So very easy to do, and all you want to do if you want to get rid of it, press delete. That's it. This is going to be a very short tutorial. Anyway, thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment down below, subscribe, and like, and I hope you got value from this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.